The daughters of Zelophehad came forward. Mahlah, Noah, Hoglah, Milkah, and Tirzah, of the clans of Manasseh son of Joseph. They stood before Moses, before Eleazar the priest, the leaders, and all the congregation, at the entrance of the tent of meeting, saying, Our father died in the wilderness. He was not among Korah's followers, who banded together against the Lord, but he died for his own sin, and he had no sons. Why should the name of our father be taken away from his clan because he had no son? Give to us a possession among our father's brothers. So Moses brought their case before the Lord. And the Lord said to Moses, The daughters of Zelophehad are right. You shall give them possession of an inheritance among their father's brothers and transfer the inheritance of their father to them. And you shall speak to the people of Israel, saying, If a man dies and has no son, then you shall transfer his inheritance to his daughter. And it shall be for the people of Israel a statute and rule, as the Lord commanded Moses.